Hello everyone, welcome once again. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to make mayonnaise with a stick blender. This is the fastest way of making mayonnaise. Here are the ingredients that I'll be needing to make this mayonnaise. First, I have 2 eggs, I have a pinch of salt, a slice of lemon, white vinegar, and vegetable oil. I'm using groundnut oil for this recipe. Feel free to use any oil of your choice, like avocado oil, coconut oil, and olive oil. But for today, I'll be using groundnut oil. So let's get started. First, I'll be cracking in the 2 eggs. Next, we press in our lemon. Next, we'll be adding our pinch of salt and a tablespoon of white vinegar. And the last ingredient we'll be adding to it is our vegetable oil. So I'll just pour it in and begin to blend. And after blending, this is the perfect consistency I'm looking for. So I'll stop blending at this point, then transfer into a collecting container. You can see how our mayonnaise came out. So I'll just transfer them into an airtight container, cover and take to the refrigerator. This can last many days. Please, if you are new to this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that when I upload new videos, you will be notified. And to all my amazing returning viewers, I want to say thank you so much for always being there. God bless you. I guess you want to give this a try because it came out just like store-bought. I'll be glad to know how yours came out in my comment section. And please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also share with your loved ones. So after transferring them into a clean container, I'll cover and take to the fridge. Thanks so much for watching. See you in my next video. God bless.